Elsewhere, learning has been temporarily paralyzed at Neela Primary Schools in Butula constituency, Busia County, after strong winds blew off a section of classrooms' roofs. The school head teacher, Moses Wanga, said the most affected are grade 7 and 8 pupils. Luckily, no one was injured during the evening, as pupils, teachers, and other members of staff had retired for the day.
Na miti imeanguka sio tu kwa shule peke yake, kwa sababu hii ilikuwa ni hapa tu within Neela, haikuwa eti ya kwamba ilikuwa kwa hapa kwa shule tu pekee.
Kwa hivyo saizi wanafunzi wa darasa la 7 tumewaweka katika staff room, walimu nao tumewaweka nje, alafu ile darasa ambalo litakuwa likuwe lab tumeingiza ndani watu wa darasa la 8. Kwa hivyo sisi ni kuomba tu msaada kama jamii na wazazi wa Neela. Most of them are peasant farmers. Sasa wakiwachiwa huu mzigo itachukua muda ndipo tuweze kupata ili darasa likiwa vile lilikuwa.
From Busia, we shift our focus to the Senate, where Senate Speaker Amason Jeffer Kingi has declared the seat held by nominated Senator Gloria Oroba vacant with immediate effect. This follows a decision by the United Democratic Alliance Party disciplinary committee to dismiss her from the party. Oroba has been accused of disloyalty to the party and public criticism of government policies.
2 days after the United Democratic Alliance Party commenced the removal of nominated Senator Gloria Oroba from the Senate, Speaker Amason Kingi on Wednesday declared her seat vacant. Oroba's removal comes days after she was summoned to answer queries concerning her participation in the homecoming ceremony for former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i at Gusii Stadium. By doing so, the senator was accused of allegedly engaging in actions perceived to be in breach of the party's code of conduct. UDA has already nominated Consolata Wabure Wakwabubi from Kimilili, Bungoma County to replace Senator Oroba. Nancy Okware, Lunchtime News.
In other news, Baringo South Member of National Assembly Charles Kamuren has urged the Ministry of Special Programs to set aside funds for victims of banditry who are now returning home. Kamuren emphasized the urgent need for iron sheets, food supplies, and basic amenities. Engineer Edwin Lekariap, spokesperson for the Ilchamus community, says peace has finally returned among the Ilchamus, Pokot, and the Tugen communities.